Okay, let's go through all the questions of past CAT questions. Okay, so this is the question number 1. Find the minimum value of x square minus 6x plus 10 upon 3 minus x. Okay, so what we can notice is this is somewhat like pattern of x minus 3 whole square, but in the denominator we have 3 minus x. Okay, so we'll try to convert this. So this will be x square minus 6x, and 6 means 6 can be written as 2 into 3. So basically a square minus 2ab, so this is 3 means this will be 9. Now we had 10, so 10 can be written as 9 plus 1, so we will write it like this. Okay, this is the numerator part. It is rewritten like this, and we already had 3 minus x in the denominator. This we will write as 3 minus x, so that it gets cancelled. Okay, so this gets cancelled, so we have a 1 over here, and here we are left with 1 minus 3 upon x. Sorry, we won't have a 1 here. This will be a whole square, so we'll have 3 minus x over here and 1 upon 3 minus x over here. Okay, so you must have gone through the questions where the minimum value of x plus 1 by x when x greater than 0. Okay, here also the same case, it is 3 minus x greater than 0, so x is less than 3. So same case, so this is the exact same thing. So the minimum value of this will be, since there it was 2, so here it will be 2 as well. So answer to this question is 2. Now let's come to question number 2. This is a question which you can do by simultaneously tracking the process. Like first 500 is transferred, then milk will be 500, and 150 will be this, then this transfer. But if you carefully observe this, what we'll do is exactly like this. Okay, the question is a glass contains 500 cc of milk. So this is glass, and cup contains 500 cc of water. Okay, from the glass 150 cc of milk is transferred to the cup and mixed thoroughly. Next 150 cc of this mixture is transferred from the cup to the glass. Okay, so see the total capacity of this, or initially total it had 500, and this had 500 as liquid, whatever with liquid, milk or water. Okay, so I'm writing it down here. Okay, milk, water. Now what I'll be writing down will be the post process. Post means after all the processes are done. Okay, it is given that 150 of cc of milk is transferred to the cup from the glass. Okay, so glass to cup 150 gone over here, so and again 150 from here is transferred back, so total will be same in both. Okay, total will be same in both, and we had 500 milk and 500 water as well. Okay, so if x milk is over here, then what amount of milk will be here? 500 minus x, because total we had 500 milk. Okay, and here water, how much will we have? We will have, since the total capacity of the container is 500 and x is milk, so water will be nothing but 500 minus x, and this will be the difference of this, so this will be x. So now the question is water in glass is 500 minus x, and amount of milk in the cup, milk in cup, so ratio is 1:1 is the answer to this question. Easily you can do without doing much work. Question number 3. Amar, Akbar, Anthony are working on a project. Okay, and they can complete the project in 1 year. Okay, so Amar say we'll do it by efficiency method. You can do it by days as well. Amar, I'm taking x, Akbar, I'm taking y, and Anthony, I'm taking as z. Okay, now so given that Amar and Akbar can do in 1 year, means 1 upon 12. Okay, and Akbar and Anthony, so x plus Amar, Akbar means y, so y plus z equals 1 upon 16 months. Okay, and Anthony and Amar, so x plus z will be 1 by 24. Okay, we'll add all this, adding all this equation. Okay, so 1 by 12 plus 24 plus 16, what will be 48, so 4 3, and this will be 2, 4 3 7, 7 2 9, 9 upon 48, so this gets cancelled, 3 upon 30. Yeah, so 3 upon 32. Okay, you can do it verbally, you can write as well, but I did it verbally only. So 3 upon 32, this is we got as x plus y plus z. Now we'll subtract from each of the equations. okay, and we'll take out the value of x plus x, y and z. Okay, so you can solve it. So x will come out to be, we can subtract it from this equation. So this will come out to be nothing but 1 by 32. This will be, because this is 3 by 32, this is 1 by 16, write it as 2 by 32. Exact same thing. So when we subtract, we get 1 upon 32. For y we'll get 5 by 96, and for z we'll get 1 by 96. Okay, I'm rewriting this. 1 by 32, 5 by 96 and 1 upon 96. The question is the time in months he will take to complete the project. Neither the fastest nor the slowest. Efficiency we are considering neither the fastest nor the lowest, so the middle guy. Okay, the middle most value of the three is, this is the max value in the days. If I say efficiency, it will be least, whatever you say. Okay, this is the max value, this is the least value, so this is the centermost value, 1 upon 32. So 32 is the answer to this question. Question number 3 is done. Now question number 4. A circle of diameter 8 inches is inscribed in a triangle ABC. Okay, AB is 90 degree and this will be a circle over here, and it is given that its diameter is 8, so its radius will be 4 inches. Now you can easily say that this will be 4, this will be 4 as well. Okay, BC is 10, this complete is 10, so this will be 6 and this will be 6 as well. Okay, so yes, so what property I have used is, this is basically circle and these are the tangents, so this will be equal to this. Okay, similarly I used here 4, that's why these 4 are equal, so x 6 will be equal. Now this will be x and this will be x as well. Now what we'll do is we'll apply Pythagoras theorem. Okay, so this will be x plus 4 whole square plus 10 square equals x plus 6 whole square. Okay, now what you can do is transfer this to this, or if you remember triplet you can do that as well, but okay, I'm telling you. So 10 square equals x plus a square minus b square will be a plus b, so this will be 2x plus 10, and on subtracting we get 2. What I did is I transferred this to this side and I did a square minus b square equals a plus b into a minus b. Okay, so x plus 6 minus x plus 4, this will be nothing but 2 and 10. Okay, so we'll do this. This gets cancelled, 2 5 10. We can take out a common 2, so we can write 5 over here. Again this gets cancelled, so x plus 5 equals 10, so x equals 5. So x came out to be 5. Now let's put 5 over here, so this is 5. So area will be 1 by 2, 9 into 10. Is it a calculation mistake somewhere? I guess yes, there's a calculation mistake. Okay, 10 square, 10 into 10 equals x plus 6 whole square minus x plus 4 whole square, the small screen, 2x plus 10. Okay, and it was 2, yeah, 2. So this is 10 into 10, this is 5. We can take a 2 common, so this will be x plus 5, this will be 2 and this will get cancelled. 25 minus 5, so x comes out to be 20. Okay, so x was 20, this was the mistake I was doing. Okay, so x came out to be 25 minus 5, this came out to be as 20. Okay, so this is 20, this is 20 as well. Now you can see the triplet as well, 20 plus 4 24, 6 4 10 and this. So area will be 1 by 2, base is 10 and height is 24. So this is 12, this is 120 is the area. 120 is the answer to this question. Now last question. A good question. From a container filled with milk, 9 liters of milk are drawn. Container filled with milk to the brisk it will be, means the container was completely filled. Okay, 9 liters of milk are drawn and the water is replaced from the same container. 9 liters are drawn and again replaced with water if the volume of the milk and water is this. Okay, so you can directly apply to the replacement formula as well, but I'll be doing it like this. Okay, let's say the capacity of the container was x. Okay, so after the first process, milk left will be how much? x into, since 9 liters are drawn, so this will be x minus 9 into upon x. Okay, again this process is done, so this will get one more time square, this will multiply one more time, so this will be x into x minus 9 whole square. And given that now the capacity is 16, now the ratio or milk in the container is 16:9. Okay, milk to water. Okay, so basically this is the milk. Okay, and the capacity of was x, 9 was removed. Okay, minus 9, then 9 was added again, then 9 removed again, and 9 added again. So basically these all gets cancelled and capacity is x only. So which means that still the total amount of liquid, the composition of both, I mean milk plus water, will be x only. Okay, so this will be, denominator will be x, and this will be 16 upon 16 plus 9, 25. Okay, on solving you will get x equals 45. This is it. You can cancel, better to solve it like this. This will go this way, this will be 4/5, and then you solve, this will be 45 will be the answer to this question. So these were the 5 questions. Hope the solutions of all these were clear. Thank you so much.